Welcome to this full 2025 guide on using Microsoft Teams for meetings and video conference calls. Whether you're hosting a quick catch-up with your team or running a professional webinar, this step-by-step tutorial will help you master Teams in just a few minutes. Stay with me until the end so you can run smooth, hassle-free meetings every time. Log in to Microsoft Teams. First, open your favorite browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams login page. Sign in with your Microsoft 365 or work account credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on the Teams homepage, which is your central hub for chats, channels, and meetings. Start or schedule a video conference. In the top right corner, look for the video camera icon. Click it, and you'll see two main options. Meet now to start an instant video call. Schedule a meeting to pick a specific date and time. If you're planning ahead, scheduling is perfect because it automatically adds the meeting to your calendar and sends reminders to participants. Invite participants after clicking the video icon. Select Get a Link to Share. Teams instantly generates a unique meeting link. Click Copy Link, then paste it into an email, chat, or any messaging app so others can join. Want to keep it all inside Outlook? Choose Share via email, and Teams will draft an email invite with all the details ready to send. Start the meeting. When it's time to begin, hit Start Meeting. Teams will launch the conference window and start welcoming participants as they join. You'll see options to turn your camera on or off, mute or unmute your microphone, and even to share your screen for presentations or demos. Manage the meeting like a pro. During the call, you can admit participants from the lobby, pin key speakers, and mute all to reduce background noise. The chat panel is perfect for sharing files or links without interrupting the conversation. And that's it. You now know how to log in, start or schedule a meeting, invite participants, and manage everything inside Microsoft Teams. With these steps, your video conferences will be organized, professional, and stress-free. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more 2025 tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy conferencing.